Work has started on an Aussie-first battery factory in Maryborough. The state government's supercharging clean energy, with the facility set to produce cutting-edge iron flow batteries.
Queensland is charging up the future of energy, one battery at a time.
Today is a first for Maryborough, for the Fraser Coast, for Queensland and Australia.
A $25 million government investment attracting $40 million in private international funding. Maryborough is on a track to lead the battery manufacturing revolution.
Manufacturing has been part of Maryborough's history for over 150 years now, and this sees that go way further into the future.
Energy Storage Industries is the company behind the project, and it's been in the planning for nearly 8 years.
Today, we bring that vision to life.
ESI is set to deliver 400 megawatts of energy annually, enough to power a city the size of Toowoomba.
These batteries will be delivering affordable overnight energy. It needs to be reliable. People need the lights to stay on. These batteries can deliver up to 14 hours of energy.
Not only are these batteries environmentally friendly, they are also built to last up to 25 years.
These will employ young people and bring young families here into the Fraser Coast. It's fantastic for our economic development.
ESI expects to have its first batteries off the production line by the end of next year. Hannah Watt, 7 News.